All right, pull up your flashcards that are in Seesaw, the virtual flashcards. I've arranged them by the order that we've learned them in and by color. The color means stuff. So blue is going to be our full orchestra songs, blue. And green has some sort of singing. You notice that Die Valkyrie is half blue, half green. It's because the first half is just full orchestra and then they add a singing solo. We're just going to worry about the orchestra part of this one for this test. So if you hear singing, it's got to be one of these two songs. One of these two songs only. Our band one is a yellow. And then purple means a small group or solo. Remember, Spanish dance is a guitar solo. If you hear guitar, it's got to be Spanish dance. If you hear any other instruments or any singing, it cannot be Spanish dance. And Brandenburg Concerto is a small group of instruments. All right, good luck.